Welcome again. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Pop OS. So if you are familiar with this operating system, then you might know how good this operating system is, but if you're not, then let me tell you, this is one of the Linux operating system which is very popular among the Linux community. And the another thing is that they also provide you the hardware if you like if you come to this website pop.system76.com, then you can see this is their homepage, and then they provide the like computers also. Like you can see they provide some good configuration laptop which will be like preloaded with the operating system, as you can see over here. Okay, and the configuration you can see over here, like 14 gen of Intel Core Ultra CPU. Okay, then 14 hours of battery life, 8 TB NVMe storage, up to 56 GB DDR5 RAM, 56 gig DDR5 RAM. Okay, which is nice. And then the 16.10p like a 1200p matte display. So the configuration is not that bad. Okay, you can go to other variant also if you like. And then if you go to the desktop, they also provide you, sell you the desktop also, and the configuration is not bad again. Okay, so you can check from here. They provide the workstation also if you wanted to purchase, obviously. Then the mini systems like this, I really love this mini system. Okay, I have one that I have purchased a few years ago, which is like a Intel system, I mean a Dell system. Okay, and then yeah, this mini PCs are really nice. Okay, you can do a lot of work and it will not gonna consume a much like storage in your desk. And then they provide the servers also if you wanted to purchase, and then the keyboards and components and many more. So as we were again on the main website, and the topic we are talking about is that how you can download it and you can install it. So you can simply download their operating system from here. Okay, you can check their operating system details from here. Okay, and it's really good for, like, as you can see that it's saying that develop software out of the box with a vast array of libraries and tools at your disposal. Okay, so you can like see all the details from here. So you can just simply go to the download option from here, and you can download the version whichever you wanted to download. It's also saying what should be your system hardware capacity. It should have 4 GB RAM, 16 GB of storage, 64-bit processor. Okay, and then USB 3 storage, or like Raspberry 4. You can do that. You can download it from here. I have already downloaded this OS to save some time. So this is how you can download it. Now let me go to my VirtualBox. Over here, as you can see, I have already created the VirtualBox, and then I'm going to start it. If you don't know how to create it, you can watch the video in my channel. I have already created a separated video how to create a virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox. That might help you. Okay, so now it's turning on. Okay, so I'm going to give you the demonstration. So whenever you are going to install it on your live system, you will not face any issue, or maybe it will make you your work easier. Okay, so we are inside of the Pop OS now. So you can like check a preview from here how this system is going to look like when you install it. Okay, you can check the file system and etc. Like it's same as all Linux operating system like do for you. Whenever you are trying to install it, they will give you a preview. Okay, so we are going to click on the installation. You can click this one over here. Like if you check this install Pop OS, you can just simply click and this installation page will be appeared in front of you. So from here you can see it's already mentioning that select a language. So you just have to select whichever language is good for you. So I'm going to select the English, and then the English version, which English you wanted to use. So I'm going to use United States, and then the keyboard layout if you wanted to change. Okay, now this is important. So you have to make sure that you do not contain any kind of important data in your hard drive where you are going to install your operating system. So this option is going to erase everything and it will cleanly install the operating system. And this is for the custom, like if you wanted to create a custom partition or resize or other partition related work, you can do that. But if you don't know how to do that, then I will suggest you do not go with this. Just simply click it, it will install each and everything for you. So click on this and then clean install. Now it's asking to select your drive. So this is the virtual drive that I have assigned, which is 100 gig of storage. So I'm going to use it, and now click over here, erase and install. Now you have to enter a name over here. So I'm going to enter my name, and this will be my username, and then next. Now you have to choose a password for your system. So I'm going to put a password. Make sure this is the password which will be assigned to root user also. So make sure that. As you can see, it's giving me an error that password fails the dictionary check. It is too simplistic or systematic. The reason is that I have entered 1 2 3 4 numerically like numbers, okay, which is a bad combination. I always suggest to use strong password. This is just a demonstration, that's why I'm using it like this. Okay, now it's asking you that do you want to encrypt like the data of your drive. If you want it, then you can encrypt it. If you don't want, then you can just click don't encrypt. Okay, you can read the instruction. It's saying that encrypting this drive protect data from being read by others with physical access to this drive. Means if anyone like took out your hard drive and if they wanted to like read the data from your hard drive, it will not be possible as it will be encrypted. So I'm not going to encrypt over here, so don't encrypt. Now it will start installing the operating system. It will first do the partitioning to the drive, and you can see all the work which is being done in the backend from this panel. If you click on it, it will show you all the details over here which is being run in the backend. This is going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this period. Okay, so the operating system is now installed. So this is how the desktop look like, as you already have seen in the preview. So this is the show applications where you can find all the application details. Like as you can see, there is a little dock over here which you can like customize as per your requirement. So you will find all the basic information and the basic application which you will find in all of the operating system in the Linux. So like calculator and then setting. This is the terminal actually, which can be customized from here. So if I go to the preference and then go to this option over here, then you can simply just make changes to the terminal, something like this. You can make it either fully transparent, something like that, or you can do this. You can also change the theme from here if you wanted to like customize your terminal, which is really nice in Linux. You don't have the like capability in Windows, so you can do that. So this is the desktop look like. This is the launcher. Okay, so if you wanted to run any kind of application or app, you can simply type over here. It's something like call run. Okay, this is the workspace, so they give you two particular desktop if you wanted to use, like workspace and workspace 2. This is the Mozilla, this is the file manager that like looks similar with the Ubuntu. So you can simply connect your other network. This is your home directory, and this is the public, and this is the documents. Each and everything you will find from here. So now let's go to the setting. Okay, so the setting menu is also look like the Ubuntu, as you might know that it's already based, the pop-OS is based on Ubuntu, so you can find each and everything similar to that. The control panel is mounted over here. You can control your sound, your internet connection settings, lock or power on off and log out. You will find the same details that you have in your Ubuntu. You can change the desktop layout from here. If you go to the desktop and then go to the appearance, you can make it either lighter or you can make it either with the dark stain. So this is the light version, okay, which is not bad actually if you see this. But if you like the dark mode, you can select that one also from here. Okay, this is the dock. Okay, if you wanted to use the dock, you can simply enable it, or if you don't wanted to do it, you can just simply disable the dock. So you can customize it from here. This is the appearance, this is the background. They provide some pre-installed like wallpaper also. So let me click this one, and if you just simply click it, it will be changed in your background wallpaper, something like this. So if I select this one, it will be changed, or maybe this one. Okay, so the operating system is nice. If you are going to use it to your day-to-day basis, you will not face any issue. Okay, so this is how we install pop OS in your system. So if you find this video any helpful, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.